Chitchat English.
How are you?
I am fine.
How are you?
I am not fine.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Is it raining?
No, it is not raining.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not hungry.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Are you from the United States?
Yes, I am from the United States.
Are you from the United States?
No, I am not from the United States.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you play soccer?
No, I don't play soccer.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English?
No, I do not speak English.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is cold outside.
Is it cold outside?
No, it is not cold outside.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Is today Monday?
Yes, today is Monday.
Is today Monday?
No, today is not Monday.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I am coming to the party.
Are you coming to the party?
No, I am not coming to the party.
Do you live in a city?
Yes, I live in a city.
Do you live in a city?
No, I do not live in a city.
Is this seat taken?
Yes, this seat is taken.
Is this seat taken?
No, this seat isn't taken.
Are you going to the store?
Yes, I am going to the store.
Are you going to the store?
No, I'm not going to the store.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
Do you have siblings?
No, I do not have siblings.
Is your house big?
Yes, my house is big.
Is your house big?
No, my house isn't big.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, I am feeling better.
Are you feeling better?
No, I am not feeling better.
Does she watch TV?
Yes, she watches TV.
Does she watch TV?
No, she does not watch TV.
Is your car red?
Yes, my car is red.
Is your car red?
No, my car is not red.
Is he going to school?
Yes, he is going to school.
Is he going to school?
No, he isn't going to school.
Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Do you know him?
No, I do not know him.
Is your friend here?
Yes, my friend is here.
Is your friend here?
No, my friend is not here.
Is your birthday in December?
Yes, my birthday is in December.
Is your birthday in December?
No, my birthday is not in December.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am a morning person.
Are you a morning person?
No, I am not a morning person.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer.
Do you have a computer?
No, I do not have a computer.
Is your friend from Canada?
Yes, my friend is from Canada.
Is your friend from Canada?
No, my friend is not from Canada.
Are they going to travel?
Yes, they are going to travel.
Are they going to travel?
No, they aren't going to travel.
Does he like ice cream?
Yes, he likes ice cream.
Does he like ice cream?
No, he doesn't like ice cream.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like music?
No, I don't like music.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny today.
Is it sunny today?
No, it is not sunny today.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Are you thirsty?
No, I am not thirsty.
Does she have a car?
Yes, she has a car.
Does she have a car?
No, she does not have a car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you drive?
No, I can't drive.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home.
Are you at home?
No, I am not at home.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing.
Do you like to sing?
No, I don't like to sing.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it is hot outside.
Is it hot outside?
No, it is not hot outside.
Are you enjoying the movie?
Yes, I am enjoying the movie.
Are you enjoying the movie?
No, I am not enjoying the movie.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play an instrument.
Do you play an instrument?
No, I do not play an instrument.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Is this your first time here?
No, this is not my first time here.
Are you going to the gym?
Yes, I am going to the gym.
Are you going to the gym?
No, I am not going to the gym.
Does he need help?
Yes, he needs help.
Does he need help?
No, he doesn't need help.
Is it your birthday today?
Yes, it is my birthday today.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it isn't my birthday today.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, I am feeling cold.
Are you feeling cold?
No, I am not feeling cold.
Does she like to cook?
Yes, she likes to cook.
Does she like to cook?
No, she doesn't like to cook.
Is this your phone?
Yes, this is my phone.
Is this your phone?
No, this is not my phone.
Has she got a bike?
Yes, she has got a bike.
Has she got a bike?
No, she hasn't got a bike.
Is your family here?
Yes, my family is here.
Is your family here?
No, my family isn't here.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I am interested in art.
Are you interested in art?
No, I am not interested in art.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like winter?
No, I do not like winter.
Is it dark outside?
Yes, it is dark outside.
Is it dark outside?
No, it isn't dark outside.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am waiting for someone.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I am not waiting for someone.
Do you know the time?
Yes, I know the time.
Do you know the time?
No, I don't know the time.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
Are you excited?
No, I am not excited.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Do you like sports?
No, I do not like sports.
Is it snowing?
Yes, it is snowing.
Is it snowing?
No, it's not snowing.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am having fun.
Are you having fun?
No, I'm not having fun.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work here.
Do you work here?
No, I don't work here.
Is it your favorite color?
Yes, it is my favorite color.
Is it your favorite color?
No, it is not my favorite color.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Are you learning English?
No, I am not learning English.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you like dancing?
No, I don't like dancing.
Is this her hat?
Yes, this is her hat.
Is this her hat?
No, this isn't her hat.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I am not free tomorrow.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I know the answer.
Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know the answer.
Is this his laptop?
Yes, this is his laptop.
Is this his laptop?
No, this isn't his laptop.
Are you going to the beach?
Yes, I am going to the beach.
Are you going to the beach?
No, I am not going to the beach.
Is your name John?
Yes, my name is John.
Is your name John?
No, my name is not John.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not a teacher.
Is your phone new?
Yes, my phone is new.
Is your phone new?
No, my phone is not new.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I am in a hurry.
Are you in a hurry?
No, I am not in a hurry.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Is this your first time here?
No, this is not my first time here.
Are you going to the concert?
Yes, I am going to the concert.
Are you going to the concert?
No, I am not going to the concert.
Is your room clean? Yes, my room is clean. Is your room clean?
No, my room is not clean.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I am afraid of spiders.
Are you afraid of spiders?
No, I am not afraid of spiders.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
Do you like chocolate?
No, I do not like chocolate.
Is this your water bottle?
Yes, this is my water bottle.
Is this your water bottle?
No, this is not my water bottle.
Are you visiting family?
Yes, I am visiting family.
Are you visiting family?
No, I am not visiting family.
Do you like sleeping?
Yes, I like sleeping.
Do you like sleeping?
No, I do not like sleeping.